Hi, I'm Patrick Call and I'm here today to talk about how you group applications on the Mac, how you group map apps. So you may want to put some apps that you use in conjunction with each other together in one folder, like you do on your iPhone, and you've heard that you can do that on your Mac and you're wondering how. I'm going to show you. What we want to do, first of all, is come down to Launchpad in your dock. Come down to Launchpad, you'll see right away it looks very similar to an iPhone or an iPad in the way that the apps are spread out. So my contacts, my calendars, my reminders, they're all kind of working in conjunction with each other. So let me put them together. Easy way to do it, just take the calendar, drag it on top of the contacts. Boom, makes a folder called Productivity. You can change the name of the folder by clicking on it. Here, there we go. Productivity is a good name. Click outside of it, there's my folder. If I want to put reminders in there too, I just drop reminders into the group. And that is basically how you group apps on your Mac. I'm Patrick Call. Hope this has been helpful.